Do you consider yourself more friendly or flirty when talking to guys? What kind of body language do you show when you like someone? Has anyone ever assumed you were flirting when you were just being friendly?
Showing his very gentleman, and I touch them.
Oh, how do you touch them? Can you give us like an example, or can you?
I touch them like this.
Oh my god! So that's how you do it.
And I kiss them.
What are your names and ages?
Alexis po, 20. I'm Rixa, 25.
You don't look like you're 25. If you're gonna ask me, I would say you're like 16, 17 years old.
Princess. Actually, I look like 18. I don't know.
You have like this baby face. You're lucky. Okay, anyway, here's the questions. Okay, number one. Okay, do you consider yourself more friendly or flirty when talking to guys?
No, because I actually don't talk with guys. So no.
You don't talk to guys. How about like classmates, like friends,
Casual. Casual talk lang, pero I don't really talk with guys.
like strangers?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you?
Since we only have two options, which is friendly and flirtatious, I think I would pick friendly because I have a boyfriend. I don't think it's appropriate if I talk flirtatious to guys. Yeah, like
How about when you are single? How do you talk to guys? Like friendly or
just friendly. I'm not really into flirtatious things like that.
okay? Okay, well, okay, this one. Has anyone ever assumed you were flirting when you were just being friendly?
Yes, yeah. I have moments like that when I was in high school. Yeah.
How often is this? Like,
Um, because of that po, that made me na lang, hindi na mag-talk with guys. Kasi yun po yung mga nangyayari talaga before. So,
so it happens a lot before when you were in high school.
school. Especially in senior high school.
Okay, how about you?
I think friendly, just friendly. Yeah.
You don't assume anything.
No, no. Because I don't show anything na like flirtatious. That's why I think they don't assume like that.
Okay, how about you, Be? How can they say or how can they assume that you are, like you're flirting with them?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's the guys that think
Yeah.
she's flirty. I think the one around her, like her, like her,
The girls.
I don't think the guy thinks like that.
How do you think they can say such,
I don't know because I don't really talk with guys, but then when I talk to the guys, yeah, they assume things like that. Especially the girls, not the boys. They assume like that.
Okay. What kind of body language do you show when you like someone? No comment. So, you never liked someone before?
I'm into studies.
How do you let someone know you're not into them without being rude?
I don't. I just don't talk with them. I just don't talk to them. Yeah.
Just the same. Like when they're like texting me, I just don't reply. I just don't entertain.
So you have a boyfriend, that's very clear. How about you? Be? Are you single or do you have like a boyfriend right now?
Single
How long have you been single?
for 20 years.
No boyfriend since birth. And you're from Naga City, right?
Yes. Yes.
May I know why you're still single? Like, is it by choice or what?
By choice. By choice. I just want to focus on my studies first before.
You're still studying right now.
Yeah.
May we know what's your course?
Tourism.
And what year are you now?
Second year.
What are your names and ages?
My name is Jean and I'm 24. My name is Judy. I'm 28.
Do you consider yourself more friendly or flirty when talking to guys?
Sometimes flirty, but sometimes most friendly. It depends on the guy. He likes me.
Okay, how do you flirt then?
I touch them.
Oh, how do you touch them? Can you give us like an example, or can you?
I touch them like this,
Oh my god! So that's how you do it.
and I kiss them
Oh my are you drunk or what?
No.
You're not. That's just how you are, right?
It's my normal me.
I love her. I love her. I love you. That's actually okay. How about you, ma'am?
Um, no comment.
Are you friendly or flirty when talking to guys?
Friendly?
Most of the times, or just like what she said, seasonal.
Most of the time, friendly. Yeah.
But when you do flirt, how do you do it?
Um, just pa-cute.
So that's how she does it. She just act cute. Okay, now this one. Has anyone ever assumed you were flirting when you were just being friendly?
Ah, can you please translate?
Okay. May beses na ba na friendly lang ka mo pero yung lalaki nag-assume na nag-flirt ka mo sa inda? May mga beses bang araw ka ito na friendly lang ka mo pero sa iya parang nagkipag-flirt ka?
Yes, pag the guy is so very manyak.
Oh, she said that yes when the guy is very pervert.
Yeah. That's
How,
it.
how can you say when he is pervert?
When he is like touchy and then the words coming from his mouth.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. But you said earlier that when you like someone, you give him touch, and you give him kiss. Do you think?
Like I said, it depends on the guy.
Okay, what kind of body language do you show when you like someone?
Ano nga ba? She just like me. She just touch.
Oh, the same thing. The same thing. I think she's very shy. She's very, very shy.
Kasi talaga akong kasi on relationship na talaga ako since 12 years na kasi kami. Kaya wala na rin naka-experience dyan.
She said that she's been in a relationship up to now 12 years, right? So she have no experience now. But how about with your partner? How do you flirt with him? Like if you feel like, one day you're just wake up and then you were like I want to flirt with him. How do you do that?
Wala, lambing lang. Touch, ganon.
What kind of touch?
Kiss.
Oh, kiss.
From head to toe? From hips to what?
How do you let someone know you're not into them without being rude? Paano mo ipapaaram sa iya na habok mo sa iya without being, parang rude?
No, because me is, I'm very like prangka.
You're very
I
frank.
tell them when I don't like them.
That's good.
I'm not like plastic like that. Yes.
Okay, direct to the point. If I don't like you, I don't like you like that.
Yes. Very true.
How about you?
Hindi ko na lang pinapansin.
You don't mind them.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, just ignore. Okay. Okay. What's the biggest green flag a guy can show that makes you want to flirt back? Ano yung pinaka-green flag na tigpailing sa inyo kang lalaki na parang gusto mong makipag-flirt sa iya back?
Like clingy.
Clingy.
Yeah.
That's a green flag for you when the guy is clingy?
Yeah.
What kind of clingy?
Like they are so malambing.
They're so caring.
That's it.
Okay, how about you, Mel?
Mga yun, halimbawa mga mas matatamis na salita.
Okay, sweet words. For like,
But no
example.
action.
Okay, sweet words like what?
Or yung magagandang salita like sasabihin, ang ganda mo.
Like, for example, you're beautiful. I love that. Of course, right? Okay, how long have you been single?
Like 6 months.
6 months. Okay. May we know where you're working?
SM department store.
What's your name and age?
Gem po, 24.
Gem, that's a very cute name and it's easy to remember. Gem. Okay. Now, Gem, here's the question. Do you consider yourself more friendly or flirty when talking to guys?
More friendly because I have more friends in school and online too.
Okay. Okay. Now, what kind of body language do you show when you like someone?
Oh, acts of service.
Like what?
I do everything to notice me.
Can you give us an example? Like, can you demonstrate how you do it?
No, oh my god. Like smiling at him and act of service. Oh my god. Ano? What?
Smiling and feeling cute like that.
And just look at him.
What's the biggest green flag a guy can show that make you want to flirt back?
Mm,
What's the green flag? Biggest green flag that will make you feel like, oh, I want to flirt back because that's very, very green. Green flag.
showing his very gentleman and respectful.
Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections